From our personal experience, we know that having great wine storage is a fantastic, opportunity for someone to be able to have their bottles in a place that they can look at them, see them, and surveying the market, there's just not a lot of great solutions out there. So it was something that we see there was a real need, and knew that working with a startup like this, we'd be able to execute something in a fairly quick time frame and get it to the market. My design philosophy hinges around material honesty and trying to get to the core of not only the material but a functional solution, and trying to find a way to create a product that fills a real need, which is challenging because there's lots of things you can do in the design world and lots of problems to be solved, but to figure out something that solves a real need, creates something beautiful at the same time, and has that longevity that is something that people are connected to in a real way. We want people to fall in love with these things. So at the core of what we want to do is to create products that people will keep forever. The process was one of trying to understand what the real needs were for wine aficionados and people that love wine, but at the same time trying to understand the broader market and trying to figure out where exactly this product might live, and knowing that we're not only trying to get this product into homes, but also into commercial spaces and restaurants, and trying to create one product that can live in both worlds comfortably. And we believe that if you make it about the bottle, and that's what we're trying to do here, and really try to highlight the bottle, and everything else goes away. It just works very simply. We think it can live in all those worlds, and as we were creating this product, we really tried to think about all the environments that this product would find itself in. What makes STACT different is, number one, the modularity. We've created something that you have 10 bottles, you have 40 bottles, you have 400. This will work in every condition. It's something that it can grow over time. We have chosen to use nothing but the best materials, aircraft grade aluminum, real wood veneers, and tried to heighten the whole experience because there's so few parts that every piece that we've designed is critical, and every move is exposed out in the open so you see it, and really important to make sure it's nothing but the best on the material front. And frankly, really looking out at the market, there's just nothing commercially available like it. People have a very passionate connection with their wine. How do we focus on what's important? And for someone to walk by the bottle, see the bottle, and trigger that emotional experience of, oh yeah, I remember when we bought that. I was there with my wife or my partner, and to be able to create something that functionally works, but at the same time, you have that emotional connection with seeing that bottle out in the open, and something that can trigger those feelings.